Today we're going to show you how to install Java. Before installation of Java, please check whether your Java is already installed or not. To perform that, type this command in your command prompt, Java version, Java C version. And if it's not installed, the command line prompt will be like this. So in order to perform installation, you need to download the JDK. Inside here, choose the Windows option, download this installer. If you have in Windows operating, you have to choose this, unless you have to choose the different OS. In here, 64-bit installer, download it. Wait till it's download. I have skipped the part where it takes the time download. It will download in a minute or two depending on your network speed. Go to the folder where it's installed. Double click the file. Now it will ask to provide necessary steps. Next, keep the default location to make things simpler, but you can change the location if you are desired. Next. Now it will take a time. Yeah, it's done. Now you have to perform certain particular activities in order to make sure the installation is complete. Beforehand, you need to locate where the Java is installed. The default location for Java installation is in here. And now, first go inside the bin folder, copy this path, and search for environment variables. In here, go to path, click the path, click edit, new one, copy paste the Java bin folder, press OK. If you are planning to develop any Java related applications or any tools related for Java, you have to create a new variable. It's called Java home. Make sure type it as like this, and copy paste the path. Make sure to change the path like this. Click OK. Now let's check whether Java is installed or not. Type Java version. Refresh this command prompt. Now let's see Java version. Yeah, you have to close and open the command prompt if you have make any changes. Now it says the current Java version, and you can see Java C version as well. Yeah, if you want to see whether your newly created home variable is present, type like this. Wait. Yeah, it says where your home variable is located. And now you are good to go. You can start developing from Java. And thank you for watching. If you have any issues in the video, any suggestions, please make sure to comment down below. Thank you.